Who is he to you?
My boyfriend.
Okay.
We were Instacarting, and I had fallen asleep on our way back to Woodman's in Oak Creek.
Stop right there. Drop the cigarette. With it, keep your hands raised. Let me see your hands.
Whenever you're ready.
Let me see your hands.
On January 22nd, 2024, a routine traffic stop in Cudahy quickly escalated into a dangerous high-speed pursuit. What began as a speeding violation ended with felony charges, drug evidence, and a prison sentence. The officer pursued the vehicle, reaching speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. High-speed pursuits pose extreme risks not only to officers, but to bystanders and the fleeing suspect.
Alright, he increased his speed. I'm in pursuit. Southbound Howell coming up to Rawson now. Looks like he's in lane 2. Alright, looks like he's going to turn on Rawson. He's going to go west. Yep, he's going west on Rawson. West on Rawson from Howell. Got one car on the road in lane 2, looks like a truck. He just passed it, still lane 1. Alright, he's pulling over at 10th. 10th and Rawson. 10th and Rawson, pulling over, high risk stop.
After several moments, Amari finally pulled the vehicle over. Because of the prior flight, officers prepared for a high-risk traffic stop.
We have squads en route.
Driver, stick your hands out the window with the keys.
Number, thank you.
Driver of the vehicle.
Clear from here, going closer.
Raise your hands. Let me see your hands. Face away from me. Face away. Face away. Raise your hands. Don't reach.
37, your partner dropped his calm. Hopefully you'll see it.
Step rearwards to the sound of my voice. Do it now. Come back to the sound of my voice. Keep your hands raised. I'm going to bring him down right here. Stop right there. Drop the cigarette. With it, keep your hands raised. Let me see your hands.
Whenever you're ready.
Let me see your hands. Face away. With your right hand, reach to your hoodie and lift up your shirt. Spin around in a circle. Face away. Raise your hands. Step backwards. Keep coming. Don't. Face away. Face away. Just bring him back to.
I was scared, bro. I didn't know.
Why didn't you stop?
I was scared. I probably.
Passengers of the vehicle, stick your hands out the window if you can.
57, that's 23. We got multiple squads with us.
Keep your hands raised. Step out of the vehicle. Don't reach. Keep your hands raised.
40, that's you actually just point 23.
Step rearwards now. Step back to the sound of my voice. Okay. Stop there. Take 4 steps to your left. With your right hand, reach to the small of your neck and pick up your sweatshirt. With your right hand, spin in a circle. Step backwards now. Keep coming. Face front. Just keep coming. Keep coming. Yeah, just take front.
Okay.
You're being detained right now.
Can I ask you what am I?
Well, because the driver of the vehicle didn't want to stop for me. Come on.
I was falling asleep and the car.
There should be no one else in the car. But if you want to go ahead and give command to the vehicle, you have any weapons on you?
No.
Is there anyone else in the vehicle? Okay. Is there any guns in the vehicle?
No.
Any drugs in the vehicle?
I don't think so.
All right. Who is the driver of the vehicle? Who's him?
Amari.
Come back here.
Officers used clear commands and increased distance to reduce the risk of sudden violence. The driver was ordered to exit first, followed by the passenger. Once the vehicle was confirmed clear, both the driver and passenger were taken into custody for questioning. At this point, officers were still determining the full scope of the situation.
Who is he to you?
My boyfriend.
Okay.
We were Instacarting, and I had fallen asleep on our way back to Woodman's in Oak Creek.
Okay. Why would he not stop for me?
I don't know. I think the last time we seen a cop, he got threatened by one, so I'm assuming that's probably why he didn't stop.
Okay. And there's no drugs or weapons in the vehicle.
There shouldn't be.
Okay. Maddie, you want to go ahead and search here?
Yep.
I got it. I'll take over. All right. Anybody got a shield by chance?
I do.
You do? You want to grab it?
I promise there's no one else in the car.
Okay, we're gonna step back here, okay?
You want to grab it?
What's your name, my dear?
Holly?
Holly. I'm Officer Ohm. I'm gonna search you over here, but we're gonna go behind this squad so we're a little safer, okay?
passenger
Okay.
detained will be approaching the vehicle shortly.
Turn and face this squad right here. Separate your feet as wide as you can. Do you have anything on you at all? I don't care if it's a cell phone, a wallet, nothing.
No, everything put back in the car.
Okay. I'm not gonna find any weapons or
No,
anything.
dear God,
This is your one time to be honest. No
I'm
drugs
serious.
or anything?
Nothing on
No?
me.
Okay, sounds good.
There might be some receipts and some food got cold.
I know.
And some cards, like Instacart, my driver's license, ID, and maybe my food stamps card.
Food stamps, okay. Okay, back of my hand here, okay?
Yep.
Yep, I understand. I don't like it either. I don't like doing it. We'll sit you in this warm squad, okay?
Are we being?
You're currently under arrest, yes.
What?
We'll explain things to you in a bit. Just take a seat, please.
Oh my God.
I was scared.
Okay.
I didn't mean to do it. I promise.
All right. I'm not going to ask you any questions in regards to that right now because I still have to read you your rights, okay?
I'm not being arrested. This is like,
You are under arrest right now for fleeing.
I didn't mean to, man. I promise you I didn't. We was going to Whistling and I didn't want to take. I just got my license back straight.
Okay,
man.
but shouldn't you just pull over, boss?
I was scared, man. And then I felt bad about doing it because I wanted to pull over, but I didn't want a ticket, bro. So I promise you I didn't mean to do it, bro.
Dude,
we was going grocery shopping, bro. I promise you.
Okay, all
I'm
right.
sorry,
Like I said, I don't want to ask you more questions in regards to that until I read you your rights, man. Okay.
Bro,
All right. Is that your car?
no, it's a rental.
It's a rental car?
Rented to go work in.
All right. Do you have an ID on you?
She got it.
She got it. Who has it?
She has it. My girlfriend has it.
Your girlfriend has it.
Holly has it.
Okay. What's your first name?
Amari.
What's that?
Amari.
Amari. What's your last name, boss?
Yeah.
Okay, Amari. I'm trying to write it down. Okay.
Bro, can you just bless me with a ticket, bro? I promise you.
I can't
never-
do that,
I
man.
never did that.
Dude, we are past that point, unfortunately, man. All right.
I didn't mean to do it, man. I did.
Hey.
I just started. My life started getting better when I.
Amari, okay,
Yes.
with you being as cooperative as you are, dude, I'll help you as much as I possibly can. I will guarantee that for you. Okay? All right, but we are past the point of just a ticket now. I'm sorry, man. Okay? All right, we'll talk more at the station about this. All right, I'm Cudahy Police. Okay? We'll talk more about this at the PD. All right? All right, Amari, A-M-A-R-I. All right, just hang that for me, okay?
During the booking process, officers conducted a standard search of the driver. This step is routine and designed to locate weapons, contraband, or evidence. Officers discovered a baggie containing a cream-colored powdery substance on Amari. Subsequent testing confirmed the substance was methamphetamine.
Hey, would you guys just mind searching that vehicle quick for me? Sure. And if you find anything, just let me know, and I'll take care of it as far as paper goes on it.
Okay.
So we're gonna tow it, obviously.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm clear from that. Can you push me back to my FI? No use of before.
Yeah.
Is it like
Yeah.
a PC
Yep.
search or anything, or?
I mean,
at
this point it's more of an inventory because the car's getting towed.
Okay.
So
Scary.
yeah.
We don't do inventory searches. That's why, like, at our department. So that's if you're doing, if
yes.
we're doing it on your behalf,
Yes.
then.
Yep. Yeah. Do it on my behalf because the MT's gonna be here shortly. It's a rental car as well, so.
Okay.
And there might be a wallet in there. He said his ID's in his girl's wallet.
Okay. I was hoping you had your dog out. I haven't even seen him yet.
He's right there.
I hear him on the radio all the time. But...
Yeah, he's a loudmouth.
Hey. Do you want our other squad to hang out there then while we search, or you want?
Might as well.
Okay.
Or
We don't really have anything going on right now.
if they want to pull forward right here, 'cause I mean it's blocked off now, because then cars can. Oh, I guess that's fine too. It don't matter.
It'll be easier if the cuffs are off. Take a left when you get in there. A left. Just take a seat on the bench for a minute, okay?
You want to turn the crisis room, you said?
Yep.
Amari was charged with fleeing or eluding an officer and possession of methamphetamine, both serious offenses under state law. Amari was later found guilty. He received a sentence of 2 years in prison, followed by 48 months of probation, and was ordered to pay a $1,036 fine. The female passenger was released without any charges after investigators found no evidence linking her to the crimes. This case highlights the serious consequences of fleeing from police. A simple speeding violation escalated into felony charges, drug convictions, and years of supervision, all because of one decision to run.